Oh, this is sick.
Yeah.
Right on. Woo, woo, woo. Yo. Yeah. Woo. Yo. Woo. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Today's the day. We're going to BC. I am so stoked. I've been itching for a bike trip for a while now, and we're finally heading west. It's gonna be sick. Me and John are going. He's just pulling up now. We're ready to go. Car's loaded, full of bikes. John got a new downhill bike, so he's stoked. I got a new Evil the Reckoning because, you know, gotta do what all the YouTubers doing right now. But yeah, I'm hyped. It's gonna be a good trip. You ready to go, John? We are starting our adventure by driving 14 hours west to Fernie BC. Fernie is an incredible location, surrounded by rugged mountains and dense forests. It is an outdoor playground. I love it here. We're going to meet up with my good buddy Rob. Rob is a local here in Fernie. Me and him go way back, working together on a number of mountain bike trail projects. I am so excited to see him. Having left Winnipeg pretty early in the morning, we arrived with plenty of daylight. So Rob is going to bring us to one of his favorite local trails. Oh, this is sick. Roxy Roller. It is primarily a downhill trail, but it has some pretty cool climbs with a ton of woodwork. Another one. Right on. After a short climb to the top, we are ready to drop in for the first ride of the trip. Good to go. Ooh, nice shoot. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Liking this already. Woohoo. Nice flow. A little loose. I like this. Woohoo. A little loose. Yeah. Oh, I like this flow. So playful. Yeah. Woohoo! These trees are crazy. What a view. That was super sweet. The trees being kind of narrow or a little freaky, but it's super cool. What a view from up here though. We are now about to begin the lower section of a rocky roller, which then flows into Space Unicorn. This is by far my favorite section of trail. It has some super unique features. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, these are sweet. There's so much flow. Yeah. Oh, this is fun. Definitely have to do some braking. Holy smokes, this is dark. And the downhill. Right on. Oh yeah, you can get some speed down here, boy. Oh, right on. These berms are mint. Woo. Oh, this is sick. Right on. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo. Right, this is wicked. Oh man. Dude, that's so much fun.
Yeah, not bad for a little ride from the house, eh?
That is not bad. Holy smokes, that is so fun.
I know, I was thinking of you the last few times I was riding. Hey, Hadrian's gonna love this.
I love that. What a day. Dude, I can't believe we left Winnipeg, drove to Fernie, and we rode all in one day. What a sick day. Thank you, Rob, so much for showing us some of your local trails. They are truly awesome. Now, we have a big day ahead of us tomorrow. We're going to be checking out the Fernie Bike Park, which is a pretty legendary bike park. It's going to be sick. So until then, subscribe for more. Stay tuned.